Sounds good.
There's going to be a seat right here at the end.
Okay. Oh,
I already know the contractor's tricks.
Paired with lantern.
It's interactable inside.
Oh, it's interactive? Oh, I did not know that. That's pretty cool.
Well, howdy folks, and welcome aboard. My name is Commander Calico Mine. I'll be taking you to the candy mine. I do just have a few very quick safety rules and regulations. For your safety, please remain seated at all times. Keep it all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the ore car. There is no eating, drinking, and absolutely no smoking while on board. Please do feel free to take as many photos or videos as you like. We do just ask that all camera flash and flashlights please remain turned off. With that being said, let's go see if we can find ourselves some candy, shall we? All aboard.
Something strange is happening here, folks.
Panama Dragon. As we approach the unload dock here up ahead, please stay seated until the train has reached a full and complete stop. Once the train has stopped, you can then stand on up, lift up on that wooden seat located right by your door, and just give that door a push. With all that being said, it's a pleasure having you all aboard today. We hope you enjoy the rest of your stay here in the old town of Calico. Once again, just lift up on that wooden seat and lift the door a push.